What if the camera everyone is calling the DJI Osmo Pocket 4 Pro isn't actually DJI at all? One leaked image from Shenzhen has ignited a massive debate, and the truth might surprise you. Recently, a fascinating image appeared on Reddit, instantly setting the internet on fire. The post claimed it showed the DJI Osmo Pocket 4 Pro, and at first glance, it really does look like DJI's next-generation pocket gimbal. But once experts looked closer, doubts started to surface. Could this actually be something else? Possibly an upcoming Insta360 pocket camera? Let's break down what we know so far and why this image may not be what many think it is. The leaked image was reportedly captured inside an indoor ski resort in Shenzhen, a city well known for tech testing and prototype sightings. The Reddit user shared the photo with the caption DJI Osmo Pocket 4 Pro, and naturally the community ran with it. Given the long-standing rumors around the Pocket 4 series, it was easy to assume this was DJI's next flagship. The camera's compact size, gimbal-based design, and dual-lens look all pointed in that direction. However, as history has shown, first impressions, especially with leaks, can be misleading. Expert insight. Is this really DJI? Trusted industry insider Igor Bogdanov at Quadro News quickly weighed in, and his analysis changed everything. According to him, the camera shown in the Reddit post does not match the actual DJI Osmo Pocket 4 Pro design. By sharing side-by-side comparisons, Bogdanov highlighted several structural differences that aren't obvious at first glance. These details suggest that the leaked camera may belong to a different brand altogether, most likely Insta360. This wasn't just speculation. Bogdanov's conclusions are based on reliable sources and deep familiarity with DJI's internal design language. Spotting the differences, DJI versus the mystery camera. So what exactly doesn't match? Gimbal arm design. On the real DJI Osmo Pocket 4 Pro, the gimbal arm connects to the camera module in a sleek, integrated way. In the leaked image, the arm appears positioned differently, with a more modular attachment. Camera module layout. While both designs show dual camera setups, the spacing and proportions don't align with DJI's known prototypes. Overall build philosophy. DJI traditionally prioritizes minimalism and portability. The leaked device looks slightly bulkier, hinting at a more customizable or modular system. These aren't small variations. They point to a completely different engineering approach. What this means for pocket cameras in 2026. Based on current evidence, there's a strong possibility that this leaked device is actually an upcoming Insta360 pocket camera, potentially featuring interchangeable camera modules. That would explain the unusual structure and design flexibility. At the same time, it's important to note that multiple prototypes are often tested simultaneously in real-world environments. Some units may never reach production, while others evolve significantly before launch. One thing is clear: whether from DJI or Insta360, the next generation of pocket cameras is shaping up to be more powerful, more flexible, and more exciting than ever. And yes, we'll be watching closely.